Food brings people and cultures together. That's why I want to bring you a culture near one at a time by giving you recipes that are typical for the specific country. In this video, I want to show you guys how to make Turkish coffee, one of the most consumed beverages after tea in Turkey, and also give you a bit of information about the Turkish culture. So let's get started. You will need a coffee pot, which is called cezve in Turkish. It's very important that it's made out of copper, because with a copper cezve more foam will be produced, and that's important for Turkish coffee. You can find those coffee pots with even in different sizes in nearly every Turkish shop or on the internet. You will also need a little cup, should be the size of an espresso cup, and medium roasted and finely grounded coffee. The next ingredient is sugar, and the last one is cold still water. In this video I will make Turkish coffee for one person, but will also tell you later which ingredients you have to increase according to the number of persons. Place your coffee pot on the heat with a low temperature setting. Fill your coffee pot with 1 espresso cup of cold still water. If you want to make coffee for 2, fill the pot with 2 cups of water and so forth. Add 1 teaspoon of coffee to the water. Again, if you want to do it for 2, add 2 teaspoons of coffee. And lastly, depending on your preference, a teaspoon of sugar for each person if you want the coffee to be medium sweet. 2 teaspoons of sugar for each if you want the coffee to be sweet, or no sugar at all if you prefer a slightly bitter taste of coffee. I will go for 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stir all the ingredients well so there are no lumps. After that you have to wait till foam forms. Be careful, please, the mixture should not boil yet. Take foam with a teaspoon and spoon it into the cup. The more foam, the better. Here you can see how the foam looks like. When the coffee starts to boil, remove it from the heat and pour the remaining froth into the cup. Et voila, that's it. The Turkish coffee is often served with Turkish delight and a glass of water. In Turkish you say afiyet olsun, which is translated into enjoy your meal.